You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. We're gonna be breaking down the pronunciation for you, and we're gonna hear the man himself say his own name, which is always the best, right? So it's pronounced as Ceawlin Thynn. If you don't believe me, listen to him saying it.
Hi, I'm Julien, the 8th Marquess of Bath.
Ceawlin Thynn, the 8th Marquess of Bath. Ceawlin Thynn. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.